Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got from this to this. Yes, we are talking about how to shape natural nails in this simple two-step process. As you can see, my nails right now need a complete refresh. So without further ado, let's get shaping. Now, before I cut or shape anything, I make sure my nails and hands are moisturized. So as you can see, I've got a lot of nail lengths going on. The first step is I look at all of my nails and identify which one is the shortest nail. It's going to be the guide for the rest of our other nails when we go through the shaping process. Now I'm going for an almond shape. So with an almond shape, it's going to be more of a tapered look at the end of the nail. So with this shape, I'm taking the nail clip and angling it to the side of the nail. I always recommend to trim little by little instead of taking the exact amount that you want off. Trust me on that one, because you can always go back and take off more if you want to take off more, but you cannot add anything back. So keep that in mind. So our second step in the process is filing. So for filing, you can use any nail file that you have on hand, but I highly recommend investing in a glass file if you don't already have one. So when filing, I recommend using it to smooth out the side edges first. So start with one side of the nail, file it out, and then move on to the other side. This to me is the best way to get the shape to be more balanced. At this point, you'll start to notice sharp corners forming near the tip of the nail. This is a great start. We're going to want to round these out. So take your nail file again and start filing down those sharp corners until they become more rounded. Eventually, you will see those rounded corners and it will form that almond rounded tip that we're looking for. So this is it for that two-step process. So we're going to repeat the trimming step with the nail clip and the filing step with our glass file for the rest of the nails. You want to make sure that you are taking your time with this one. Don't over trim and take too much of the nail at once. I know it's patience. A lot of it is patience. But you could do it. This is the final shape. I love this. I love the almond shape because it's so versatile. I find it is such an easier shape to maintain. And this one for me personally encouraged a lot of growth. I've gotten questions about how do I keep my nails long? How do you prevent them from breakage? And honestly, this shape has done wonders for me. I used to have a square nail shape that used to be my go-to, and I still love the square shape, but I found that my nails would always chip and break at the same spots all the time. Now I do like to add a nail treatment to my nail care routine. This one for me just gives like a really nice polished look. I feel like it helps to keep my nails hydrated and keep them flexible to prevent breaking and chipping later down the road. So after I wash my hands, remove any oils, dust, debris, I dry them and then apply this nail treatment. So I'm using this one from OPI called Start to Finish. And then the next step, of course, we want to go ahead and add our cuticle oil. Now I'm going to say this again, like I always do, make sure you add your cuticle oil. You want to make sure you're keeping your nails hydrated and flexible so they're not getting brittle and snapping and breaking, especially in winter weather. The nails are especially vulnerable to breakage at those times. So make sure you have a cuticle oil as part of your nail care routine. And you can go ahead and leave your nails as is, or of course you can add your favorite nail polish. I mean, hello, we're nail polish lovers here. So, but it's always nice to just see your nails in all of their glory as well. So this is the final look, before and after. What a difference. I don't know about you, but having a nice manicure refresh like this makes me feel 100 times better. And it's so necessary as part of not only my nail care, but also my self-care, just having my nails done and taken care of. So what are some of your nail care essentials? Let me know in the comment section. And also, what nail shape do you have? Do you have more of an almond shape, square, round? Let me know in the comments. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.